So this tutorial is going to show you how to fit a new heater to the GHD Wide Gold S7N421. So initially you want to check what the fault is. Now I know this heater's okay, but if you were testing it, you'd pull on all four wires, because one of the common faults is these come away and you'll get obviously the red light. Remove your little silicone covers, okay, and then just check your continuity. So that's 43, 42, okay, and middle 2, 5, 4, 6. So the two outer ones are your thermal fuse. What I tend to do, because I like the noise. There you go. You know there's continuity, so you know that fuse is okay. Using your pen knife, just prise the little metal clips off. And prise. Okay, so if you slide, all comes apart. What can happen is this silicone cover gets stuck on the thermal fuse. So if you just gently lift it up, and then you'll see the small copper bit, and just hold that down and it'll all come off. So I've assumed this is faulty. We're going to replace it with a serious air one, which is here. Now we'd apply some more thermal compound, and we sell this in our store, but for this there is already some on it, because I've already used this in a couple more videos. So if you slide it backwards and forwards just to spread a bit of thermal paste, as you see, this thermal fuse, unlike the original, is welded, and this we've found is how GHD have done it on all their latest heaters. The fuse is actually welded. Okay, so you now get your silicone cover and rest on the top. Just got to make sure it's within the two lines. Now on the backing plate you see it's got a small V there. Now that is the front, so where the wires are. So if you pull the wires left and right, so you have a V there ready for the V to fit in, that is where the top of the thermal fuse goes. So make sure it's all fitted in. Make sure your wires are either side of the V, click, and just move it backwards and forwards just to make sure it's all aligned. Now with the clips, because you've prized them off, they can get a bit loose, so just close them back again with your fingers, and the little arrow bit there goes away. Click. Same with this one, just close it up a little bit. So that arrow there, that arrow there. Put your silicone grommets. And what I like to do after doing it is just double check, because you don't want to put it all together and find out, you know, there's a bad connection or the heater's failed. Continuity on thermal fuse and your ohms. Yeah. They're reading good, 522, 524, that's fine. So there you go, that's your heater repaired and ready to get fitted back into the unit. Thanks for watching.